Hi, Chris from Florida Drone Supply, and once again we are back with another product launch from DJI. DJI just launched a new line on the Mavic 3 series called the Mavic 3 Pro. The DJI Mavic 3 series features next-level imaging performance, and Mavic 3's Pro triple camera system ushers in a new era of camera drones by housing 3 sensors and lenses equipped with different focal length. Equipped with a Hasselblad camera and dual telecamera, Mavic 3 Pro is a triple camera drone that unlocks new shooting perspectives, allowing you to create freedom further in capturing fascinating scenery, explore photographic storytelling, and make cinematic masterpieces. Inheriting the 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad camera of the Mavic 3 series, Mavic 3 Pro is the next step for professional creation. The Hasselblad camera supports 12-bit RAW photos with a native dynamic range of up to 12.8 stops, presenting unforgettable image details. The Hasselblad Natural Color Solution accurately restores the colors the human eye perceives, getting impressive shots without the need for heavy post-production or complex color presets. Mavic 3 Pro provides up to 43 minutes of flight time, giving you more confidence to fly further and spend less time worrying about the battery level. Execute every step from flight route planning to shot composition, all during a single flight. And Mavic 3 Pro ensures you fly safely and creates peace of mind with its 8 wide angle vision sensors that work seamlessly with a high-performance vision computing engine to precisely sense all obstacles in all directions and plan a safe flight route to avoid them. There are 4 models for purchase on our website, and the first one up, starting from the highest price to the lowest price, we have the Mavic 3 Pro Cine Premium Combo at $47.99. Next up, we have the Mavic 3 Pro Fly More Combo with the RC Pro controller at $38.99. Then we have the Mavic 3 Pro Fly More Combo with the DJI RC controller at $29.99. And last up, we have the DJI Mavic 3 Pro RC controller at $21.99. If you are undecided on which one is right for you, give us a call or send us an email and we will get you taken care of. We now have all the models on our website ready for you to order, and shipping date for the Mavic 3 Pro is scheduled for May 9th of this year. If you have any questions, give us a call at 855-8-DRONES or check us out online at floridadronesupply.com.